how to create group on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create group on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just click this one, click on it and then click this one, new group, and then just add anything you want here like this one and then click here, and that's it. Now just add the group name and photo, then just click here, and that's it. As you see, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.